Today is much nicer, weather is beautiful, around the 55, I think 60 degrees. So what we're gonna do today, we are gonna apply this tape on all the cracks and all the joints. So this is a zip system. We are not being sponsored by them, but hey, we are showing what we're using. So let's do this. So this is the paint that we are applying to our walls. Well, actually this is a different brand, a little bit cheaper than we used on the front of the house. The bucket that we used in the front of the house, it was like $229. This one is about $100. So we'll see how this works. So for this job, you can use a simple roller. It does not have to be expensive since we are applying plastic paint, and this roller, you're not gonna be able to save it. It's gonna be just tossed out, and that's it. It's only for one job.
Is he okay?
This is the way you...
I'm pretty sure you don't shake it like that. Looks like whipped cream. You wanna try it?
It's like a whipped cream.
I dare you to eat it.
What we're doing is we're applying this coat on our plywood so it will waterproof this plywood and it will stay here for a long time.
Painting inside?
Yeah, that's gonna be more on the day when it rains outside. I'm trying to use up as much as good weather as we can, so finish as much as possible outside, and then we'll be able to go inside and paint the inside and just do the final touches on the second floor.
Wow. Are you okay?
There goes my roller. Sucks.
Well, you did buy extra, right?
Well, at least I'm safe and sound.
Yeah, I know, but still, that costs extra. Kidding.
Always be careful when you're climbing the ladder and climbing off the ladder.
Exactly, climb it off.
Always be careful. Ran out of this paint, so I gotta get more. Sucks. I gotta go back to Lowe's, get more paint.
Here we are. This is probably our, what, 100th time?
At Lowe's, this is like our second home.
It used to be Home Depot, not anymore.
Well,
We don't live close by Home
at the
Depot.
other house, Home Depot was much closer than Lowe's. So now Lowe's is much closer to us. So this is our new home.
How does it feel? You're a trader.
Actually, I don't feel like a trader. Lowe's been more generous to me than Home Depot
That's
for
true.
some reason.
5%, right?
5% on all purchases, and also they just give out better deals.
And he's not even sponsored by them. He's advertising them.
Not at all. Lowe's, if you're hearing this, I would love to be sponsored by you. I will advertise you
All
to
day.
the moon and back,
All day and night.
and every day. So, let's go.
Look at them struggling, trying to pick up the bucket. Wow, Russ, it's really not that heavy. Unless it's been a while. Wow. You can do it. Dang. You must work out. See, who needs a gym when you can go to Lowe's and lift? I tell you, free membership right here, guys.
Yeah, that was hiding, by the way.
Wow, that's embarrassing. That is embarrassing, Russ.
All right, let's go. Let's go check out.
So, back to work, huh, Russ? Excited.
Back to work, back to painting.